Amanda, why don't you tell your friend Shannon what you wanted to watch this morning instead of The Walking Dead?
Okay, well, since I watched The Walking Dead last night, Barbie was on, and she looked cute.
Barbie.
So,
She was watching Barbie.
Well, listen.
Please tell me how old you will be tomorrow.
Thank you. Ken broke up with her, but apparently he was just recorded saying it because he was role script practicing with some
And which
evil
Ken
girl.
was that? Anal Ken?
Amanda
The one with blonde hair.
Here, okay, you can
Shut
sit
up.
to me, honey.
So anyhow, she goes to Paris, and her aunt's fashion, like she was a designer, her building got closed because the place across the street from her was copying her and making, so she got out of business.
I didn't know
So
Barbie was that
anyway,
detailed.
the girl working for her aunt was designing dresses, and they discovered, like, in this
She was a mole
closet,
and stealing.
in this closet, there was three, not fairies, flaries, because they had flair, not wings. So they
What is
would,
that? Gay Ken dolls?
They would spin around the dresses, and they would get all glittery and beautiful, and then that's how
You're a
Aunt
flary.
got back in business. And
Do
it
you-
was very good.
Do you wish that
Mary's
you
an
got to
anal
wear
fan.
any of these outfits?
Yes.
This is how I spend my Thanksgiving with the horn and the swap